Welcome to WebStarPress. In this video, I will show you how to delete Google reviews. To delete Google reviews, go to google.com and search Google Maps. Go to Google Maps. Make sure you are signed in by using your Google account. So to delete a Google review you previously wrote, open the Google Maps app or website like this. Press three lines at the top left. Select your contributions. Click on Reviews tab. It will list reviews you previously wrote. So from here, next to the review that you want to delete, tap three dots icon and from the drop-down menu, select Delete Review. If you want to edit the review instead of deleting it, you can also edit the review by selecting this option, Edit Review. But this is how you can delete Google reviews. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.